Got my hand up in the pie, yeah, you know it's in the pen. Yeah, I'm throwing on the fly, and you know it got a fin. Yeah, I'm always in the field, yeah, I'm always on the land.
Yeah, so you said to pull up to your block, and that's exactly what happened.
Yeah, we here. We live and direct.
We ran to the store real quick.
Niggas know I'm him, they be hating on the man. Yeah, I'm getting money, so I spend it on the brand. Fucking on the baddie, thought I never had a chance.
Yes, sir. You know, my aqua's there. He ended up pulling up on me over here.
See my niggas out in friends. Yeah, they watch us how I do it, try to copy to the stand. Yeah, Gleezy on my coat, yeah, I'm shooting through the fur. Chain got a cold flu bird. Catch me in the trap.
And it's just a bunch of people with just ladders climbing up to the sky. So the essence of it was just keep climbing to your goals. Don't look at what the next man, because the next man might be at the top of his ladder, but his ladder is not taller than your ladder. So you might have a ways to go, but you're gonna reach greater heights. So just keep grinding.
Niggas, they be broke, always asking can they hold. So he jugging all day, baby girl, I got